Bengaluru Metro passengers may soon have to pay more for their daily commute as metro fares are likely to be increased by 1 rupees to 5 rupees from February 9. Officials said the hike is a part of annual fare revision recommended by the Fare Fixation Committee. The recommendation made by the committee last year are binding on the Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited until a new committee is formed. Currently, Bengaluru Metro charges a minimum fare of 10 rupees to travel up to 2 kilometers, while the maximum fare is 90 rupees as journey beyond 25 kilometers. After the proposed revision, the minimum fare may raise to 11 rupees and the maximum fare could touch 95 rupees, making it the costliest metro system in India. Officials clarified that the annual revision follows a fixed formula and is capped at 5%. Whichever is lower, the revised fare will come into effect without requiring government approval. However, the move has triggered criticism as it comes less than a year after a steep fare hike up to 71%, which had drawn widespread public backlash. Defending the increase, Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited said regular fare revision are essential for financial sustainability. Without annual adjustment, the corporation estimate losses could rise to 577 crore by 2029 to 2030. The fare hike is implemented will directly impact lakhs of daily commute across Bengaluru.